Namaskar, good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, scholars, students, sportsmen, officials and ministers. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all around the world, those who are listening. Today's our topic for improving our society and nation. How we can build a strong democratic country. What problems we are facing today? That is corruption. How we can stop and how we can prevent it. Avoid temptations and selfish motives. Prepare anti-corruption policies. Improve business environment. Create better response in philosophical and religious thoughts. Transparency in the collective solution to our problems on corruption. Success is the sum total of temptations and learning attained in the course achieving it. Transparency is greatly needed. Our present PM has efforted well for bringing transparency in all sectors of economy, society, in private sector and in government sectors. Both government and the people at large must come collectively to achieve this national objective. Honesty always pays honor and corruption dishonor. Guidance from father, mother, teachers, learned members of society and religious prophets and eliminate corruption. Statesmen think for progress of coming generations. However, politicians think of next elections. Do not underestimate yourself. Every noble person is responsible for the well-being of our country. How we can make a strong and honest nation by improving our country. Corruption is the fraud and deception to the general masses. Therefore, it disturbs the mental and moral conditions of the persons involved. Although it brings financial richness to the corrupt, but tends to disturb the spiritual status. The importance of reliance and credibility can be achieved through good character and positive thoughtful actions. One should try to become honest, kind and compassionate. Try to provide manual, financial and moral assistance to the needy. Always feel that you possess sufficient knowledge and skill in your profession. Do not exploit virtuous time and qualities. Persons attached with the sense of spirituality realize that Almighty God is the sole benefactor and we all are His beneficiaries. Try to investigate your qualities and prepare a list of at least 20 persons who have developed confidence in your noble character and amiable behavior. The positive reactions provide extreme satisfaction, respect, and success. Acquire humility, serenity, and modesty of mind. Make your lifespan beneficial to human race through selfless and voluntary social services. True respect for humanity supersedes selfish motives and greed. We should develop heartfelt reverence and gratitude to our spiritual guide who provides initiation and motivation us to our spiritual actions to seek divine bliss and attain eternity. Strong belief and regular meditation promotes physical, moral, and eternal strength. No doubt, confidence is a state of mind that good knowledge, positive thinking, practice, and training so that the person develops a feeling of trust in one's abilities, qualities, and judgment. Confidence gets improved with good health, boldness of body and mind, efficiency, belief in own experience. Thus, confidence stresses faith in oneself and one's power without suggestion of conceit or arrogance. Thoughts and attempts to improve confidence. Spiritual confidence, healthy confidence means self-confidence. It improves the social evil and economic evil of our society and nation. Adoption of positive attitude and lifestyle is the most beneficial. Work with honesty and courage. Try to understand the aspects of your strength and weakness. Be careful and smiling and try to learn and follow virtuous outlook of welfare. Make attempts to gain knowledge and skill. Learn to work with new informations, system and procedure. Learning helps to handle new situations and adopt innovative concepts. Analyze your weaknesses and mistakes time to time. Try to resolve the problems and never repeat the mistakes. The solution may take some time. To when you are increasing a new skill, eliminate, surrender to your mistakes. Self-control and command on your own power is essential because mind is the architect and director of our thought and action. We should exert full command over mind, which is directed to perform willful and prominent activities. Therefore, strengthen the soul through regular meditation on spiritual master so as to regulate mind. Avoid free and nervousness. Sensitivity and confidence are interdependent. Face challenging situations with great aplomb. Take self-care in your health through nutritious vegetarian diet, regular exercise and proper rest. Self-reliance involves introspection to revive and activate latent qualities and capacities. Follow the concept I can do, I have prominent qualities, and I shall definitely acquire success. Confidence once attained can be sustained for whole life. Strong determination in weak persons can overpower a tough opponent through strong willpower and proper planning. Concentrate on well-being of the personalities. Concentrate on proper procedure of the task to acquire true objectives and destination. Start with small achievable goals with steady and time-bound steps. Decide your destination and then pursue your objectives with strength and intelligence. The person belonging to any corruption, the person belonging to any occupation or profession should try to excel both in quantum and quality of production. Earn with self-toil, spend less than total income, thus save something for rainy days, for future prospectus, progress and social cause. Seek motivation from spiritual guides, good literature, teachers and other persons prominent in particular fields. What are the reasons for low confidence? Lack of knowledge due to poor concept of learning. Condition of continued failures in certain tasks. Being with persons already in successful status. Criticism through relatives, friends or even unknown persons. More impact on negative thinking. Poor time management. Development of ego and arrogance. Lack of coordination with co-workers. Loss of more time when one is learning a new skill. When you doubt your powers, you give power to your doubts. Ego, arrogance, hatred, exploitation and superstitions weaken consciousness. Sometimes overconfidence or presumptiveness becomes excessive belief in one's capacity, which creates many problems. What are the benefits of self-empowerment? Develop qualities and strength to take risk so as to achieve personal and professional goals. Think positive about future progress and prosperity. Think positive about future progress and prosperity. Conquer fear, because positive action breed confidence and courage. Develop confidence that you are brave than you believe, stronger than you seem and smarter than you think. No one can make you inferior without your consent. Self-esteem makes you most inspiring, thought-provoking and develops uplifting thoughts. Persons with self-reliance can make changes as they are fit. Confident persons acquire good sensitivity, understanding, compassion, gentleness and deep loving concern in their life, which provides appreciation in the society. Once we believe in our qualities, we can enrich our curiosity, wonder, spontaneous delight or any experience to reveal our strong spirit. We come to know what we know and thus can steer ourselves in any direction of our choice. Self-confidence motivates fun, internal delight, and regular smile when we can perform amazing activities. It is self-fulfilling prophecy that helps to acquire innate ability for success with choice and desire. Create self-belief to act in a proper, righteous, accurate, and effective manner. Confidence is a state of mind with good knowledge, positive thinking, practices, and training so that the person develops a feeling of trust in one's abilities, qualities, and judgment. Confidence gets improved with good health, boldness of body and mind, or self-esteem, efficiency, and belief in own experience or skill. Thus, confidence stresses faith in oneself and one's power without suggestion of conceit or arrogance. The chosen course of action is the best and most effective. Even if a person possesses good physical strength, treasure of wealth, and recognition among prominent personalities, but sometimes the task of self-confidence fails to provide the desired success. Confidence also conveys the qualities of self-assurance, self-reliance,